Afternoon guys, Simon at Unity. What a cracking day here. Monday afternoon. And this on our showground is an ABI Keswick, 2 bedrooms, great van, 38 by 12, double doors at the front there, which will lead perfectly out onto your decking. 59,995. Let's get you inside for a look. In we go. So lovely feel to this. Great colourways, centrally heated, double glazed. Plenty of space and very, very comfortable. It's nice to see dining areas in vans, especially for families who want to keep their kids pinned down while they eat their dinner. Double bed underneath there on the sofa, but really versatile space. Nice kitchen area with microwave integrated. Nice cooker and extraction, and of course integrated fridge and freezer. So centrally heated, we have radiators in every room, one over there as well, and in the bedrooms and bathrooms. And we'll go down to the living accommodation, main bathroom. There we are, love the flooring. Nice double aspect shower. And down to the first of 2 bedrooms. Number 1 is a twin. And the main master bedroom, really good size. There we are. Plenty of storage and a lovely dressing table area. TV points are already fitted in here. And we will include site fees for the rest of this year. Ensuite in the master. There we are. Great van this, really great van. So as an owner here at Unity Beach, Breen Sands in Somerset, you will get 12 passes for you, your friends, your family to come down and join you, or use the van while you're not here. You'll be able to use the swimming pool complex, splash park. We'll enroll you as members at the gym. You can use our country club facility. You can use both of our entertainment venues. That includes the Wonky Donkey and RJ's up on the main park. We've got lots of stuff here going on. There aren't many parks that can boast a full fun fair and an 18-hole golf course on park. Our location, we are right sandwiched between 7 miles of sandy beach on one side and hundreds of square miles of nothing but beautiful Somerset countryside to the rear. So any information you need about the area, about the vans, about the park, or where we would put this on our park, give me a call. It's 07973 620 351. Come down and see us. I'd love to show you around. There are many reasons why you should be involved here, and one of the great reasons to help offset any cost of site fees is taking us up on our GLA, our guaranteed lettings, where we will rent your van out for you to customers, vet them, invite them, look after them, source them. We'll put your caravan ahead of our own hire fleet. And not only that, we are so confident that we will rent your van that for this year, we will add up the weeks that you give us and take it off the cost of this van or any van straight away. Next year, we'll work with you to secure weeks that you would like us to rent your caravan out for. And that number will come off your site fee for 2026. Like I say, we are very, very confident here about looking after you owners to help rent your van out, offset your cost of ownership. So again, give me a call, 07973 620 351. Whatever you're doing on this wonderful, wonderful sunny Monday, hope it's a great one. And we'll look forward to catching up with you guys very soon. Thanks.